Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Power off the A22 5G and eject the SIM tray before starting any repair. Remove any case and wipe the device clean. Heat the rear panel gently for 3 to 5 minutes using a heat gun or hair dryer on low. This softens the adhesive and reduces prying risk. Prepare tools now. Phillips #00 screwdriver, plastic picks, a thin metal spudger, suction cup, and tweezers. Work on a flat, static-free surface with good light and a small tray for screws. Pry the rear panel carefully with a suction cup and plastic pick at the edge. Slide a thin metal spudger to separate adhesive and lift the panel away from the chassis. Remove all visible screws, about 10, using the Phillips #00 screwdriver and place them in order. Locate and disconnect the battery connector first to prevent short circuits. Then disconnect the display and digitizer ribbons before fully removing the broken screen. Keep track of small brackets and foam pads for correct reassembly later. Clean the frame and remove any old adhesive residue with isopropyl alcohol. Apply 3 mm double-sided adhesive tape evenly along the frame edges for a secure bond. Position the replacement A22 5G screen and press gently to seat the display connectors. Reconnect the display and digitizer ribbons, then reconnect the battery. Secure all screws and reattach any brackets in their original positions. Power on the phone and test the touch. Display front and rear cameras, speakers, microphone, and charging. Finally, press the rear panel into place and let adhesive set before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.